Hello students, today we'll do exercise 5.1 question number 27. 26 we have already done. So 27, the function f of x is equal to kx square when x is less than or equal to 2. 3, when x is greater than 2 at x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, the function is continuous. So we have to find the value of k. It is given the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So we know that if a function is continuous at a point, then the value of the function is equal to the limit value of the function. That means left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit is equal to the value of the function. So let us first find the left hand limit. So what is the left hand limit? Limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. That means limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is kx square. Less than 2, the function is kx square. So limit x tends to 2 minus. So limit h tends to, that is if it is less than 2, you write x as 2 minus h. So you have to replace x by 2 minus h and limit will change as h tends to 0. K, x is 2 minus h the whole square. Put h as 0, you will get 2 square 4, 4k. Now we will find the right hand limit. So right hand limit is limit x tends to 2 plus of the function. So right of 2, the function is a constant. So it is 3 independent of x. So right hand limit is 3, left hand limit is 4k, and the value of the function is also equal to 4k because at 2 the function is kx square. So kx square, x is 2, so it will become 4k. So you can take either LHL is equal to RHL or value of the function is equal to RHL. Because these two are all are equal. So 4k is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 by 4. We move on to the next question. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi, and if x is greater than pi, it is cos x, and the function is continuous at x is equal to pi. We have to use this condition to find k. Even here we have to use this condition at x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to pi. So less than pi, the value is kx plus 1. Equal to pi also. Equal to pi and less than pi. Greater than pi, it is cos x. Given the function is continuous at x is equal to pi. So because it is continuous, the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to the value of the function. So let us find the left hand limit. So left hand limit is limit x tends to pi minus of f of x. So limit x tends to pi minus, left is kx plus 1. So when you write the left hand limit, when you find the left hand limit, you have to put x is pi minus h. So when x tends to pi, h tends to 0. So h tends to 0, k, x is pi minus h plus 1. When you put h is 0, it will become pi k plus 1. Now come to the right hand limit. So right hand limit, right side the function is defined as cos x. So limit x tends to pi plus of f of x. Limit x tends to pi plus, the function is cos x. So when you find the right limit, you put x is equal to pi plus h. So limit h tends to 0, f of pi plus h, that is cos pi plus h. So put h is 0, it will become cos pi. Cos pi plus h, so it will become cos pi. So cos pi value is equal to minus 1. And you can find the value of the function. Value of the function is k at pi. At pi it is kx plus 1. So put x is equal to pi. F of x is kx plus 1. So put x is equal to pi, you get k pi plus 1. So you can see these two are equal. So just equate one of these with the right hand limit. The right hand limit is -1. So equate k pi plus 1 equal to -1 because left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. So k pi, why left hand limit is equal to right hand limit? Because the function is continuous. So k pi is equal to -2. So k is -2 by pi. So we found k. Next question. F of x is given as kx plus 1, x less than or equal to 5. When x is greater than 5, it is 3x minus 5 at x is equal to 5. Once again, the function is continuous at x is equal to 5. We have to use this condition at x is equal to 5. So let us first find f of 5. So f of 5 is equal to 5k plus 1. Then left hand limit. So left hand limit is left of pi. Left of 5 from 5. You can see it is kx plus 1 and right side it is 3x minus 5. So f of x is continuous. So left limit is left limit extends to 5 minus of f of x. Limit extends to 5 minus, left side it is kx plus 1. So when you find the left limit, you put x is equal to 5 minus h. So put x as 5 minus h. So that will become k into 5 minus h plus 1. Put h is 0. So it will become 5k plus 1. Similarly, right limit is limit extends to 5 plus of f of x. Limit extends to 5 plus 3x minus 5. So right side you put it as 5 plus h. So limit h tends to 0. 3 into 5 plus h. Put x as 5 plus h. So when x tends to 5, h tends to 0. When x approaches 5, it will approach 0. So limit x tends to 3x minus 5. 3 into x is replaced by 5 plus h minus 5. Put h as 0. You will get 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. So now once again you can see f of 5 is 5k plus 1. Left hand limit is also 5k plus 1 and right hand limit is 10. So you can equate one of these. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 10 because the function is continuous. All these three will be equal. So 5k is equal to 9. K is 9 by 5. We move on to the next question. Question number 30. Find the values of a and b such that the function is defined 5 when x is less than or equal to 2. 2 to 10 the function is ax plus b. Greater than or equal to 10 the function is 21. It is a continuous function again. So it is continuous at 2 and 10 also. It is a continuous function. So we are going to use that condition that it is continuous at 2. So let us first take at x is equal to 2. So f of 2 at 2 the function value is 5. So f of 2 is 5. Now the left of 2 is also equal to 5. The left limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is also equal to 5. It is a constant function. Right limit, right side the function is ax plus b. Right of 2 the function is ax plus b. So limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus ax plus b. So replace x by 2 plus h. So a into 2 plus h plus b. Put h is 0, you'll get 2a plus b. And you know that all these, you can see that f of 2 is equal to 5, left limit is equal to 5 and right limit is equal to 2a plus b. Now because the function is a continuous function, you can equate this 2a plus b with 5. So 2a plus b is equal to 5, that is equation 1. At 10 you can see the function is changing. So at 10 we have to find the left limit, right limit and functional value. As ax plus b, it is changing to 21. So there is a change, but still it is continuous. It is given the function is continuous. So let us use that condition at 10. At x is equal to 10, the function is continuous. So f of 10 is equal to 21. At 10 it is 21. Right of 10 also 21. So we have to find the left of 10. So left side is, the left limit is equal to, left limit is f of x, limit x tends to 10 minus, left side it is ax plus b. So you have to replace x by 10 minus h. Okay, so when x approaches 10, you know that h will approach 0. So a into 10 minus h plus b, put h is 0, you get 10a plus b is equal to 21. Left limit is equal to right limit, so it is equal to 21. So we got two equations. 2a plus b is equal to 5. Second equation, 10a plus b is equal to 21. We just solve these two equations, we get a is 2. Substitute a is 2, so you get 4 plus b is 5. So b is 1. So a is 2 and b is 1. Thank you.